It's summertime now and boiling hot outside. I'm sure you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen and boiling sweating. Imagine now if you have a cold dessert that it cooled down the temperature by the time it got melted in your mouth with full of fruit flavor, nutrients. I'm sure you will love it. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make cold dessert jellies in Vietnamese style that everyone loves in my country, and I'm sure you're gonna be the one who say it. Let's get started. It smells so good. Next step, we pour the jelly to the pot and add 1 liter of water, following 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, add more sugar. Stir the jelly gently until it gets dissolved, around 3 minutes. Divide the jelly into 2 parts. First part, we add it directly to the mango and mix well. The second part of the jelly, we add it directly to the coconut milk. Leave a bit of jelly for later uses. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Mix well. Put the coconut bowl and mango to the microwave for 3 minutes at 600 Celsius degree. Now it's come the funny part. Pour the first layer of the jelly to the container. Let it cool down for 2 minutes before put it to the fridge for chilling. Entertain with a lot of music while you're waiting. After 10 minutes, cooling the jelly, check if the jelly is firm enough to pour the second layer to the container. Then we repeat the process for the third layer. After 1 hour being chilled in the fridge, now let's check it out. To transform the cake to the plate, we need to wet a knife, and then we go all the way around the tray like this to make sure that it doesn't stick to the tray. for the container. I don't know how you call it. Tastes the same for me, reminding me about my childhood in Vietnam. It's sweet, fruity, fresh, and it got passion in there because I love mango. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.